Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you stop right there before you continue watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're just gonna get right into the video. All right, so I accidentally deleted the first part of the video, but all I did was I sprayed my hair with water, and then I'm gonna take my fave eco style gel to get my hair slicked. Okay, and I'm of course using a brush to help further slick the hair. That is all I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a ponytail holder to tie my hair. I'm gonna be using a lot of hair ties for this particular hairstyle. Okay, so when I feel like okay, we've gotten the hair together, I'm just gonna add more eco style gel, because we're really trying to get that sleek look, like our hair is relaxed but it's natural. It's 4C hair, it's 4B hair, and so I'm just gonna brush that. It's already looking good, but I'm gonna have to add another hair, and then I'm gonna add another hair tie just because after I added more gel I missed some hair, so we're gonna have to add that hair to the hair that's already tied. Okay, and that's how I get my hair slick. And you have to be careful, you don't want to do it too tight because you will get a headache and it's not fun. So you can leave your hair like this if you think that's good enough, but to me it wasn't. That's not the slickness I was looking for. So I'm gonna be using this touch down edge control to give it that extra shine and lay the hair. So I want that shine, I want it to look like it's relaxed. Okay, not that we want to relax our hair or that natural hair is not the bomb, because you guys know I have a lot of videos on my natural hair, so it's the bomb. But for this particular hairstyle we want it to be laid. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding the edge control. You can use any kind of edge control that you like. This is just my preferred edge control, and it gets the work done. Okay, it lays the hair. Finally, I'm done, and I'm using a silk hair scarf to further lay the hair, make it be in place, dry it out, and finish the sleek look that we are going for. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I used this in my previous video. I love this hair. I already told you guys, because it's like a natural hair, relaxed natural hair, blowout natural hair, you know what I'm saying, relaxed natural hair. Relaxed hair, you know what I'm saying, and I just love the texture. So I'm gonna use two of these and I put them together, and then using a hair tie I'm just gonna put them together like so. And you guys here, you just need to watch and see what I'm doing, because I don't know how to explain this, but yeah, we're just gonna do what I'm doing right here. Okay, and that's all. That's how you create the ponytail. So I'm gonna attach that to my hair like so. Okay, I was struggling to get it in, and I had to take the hair scarf out because I feel like it was getting in the way of me doing my hair. But after I attach the hair, I'll just flip it on the other side to cover up my natural hair, the little bun that I have. And to keep it in place, I'm gonna use another hair tie so that it stays in place. Always make sure that you're not tying your hair too tight. Okay, now that I feel like it's in place, I'll flip it back on the other side. Okay, and then after I flip it on the other side, I'm just gonna take some hair out, because that's the hair that I'm gonna use to wrap around my ponytail, so we're just like separating that hair for now. Now we're gonna start braiding the ponytail. Okay, just a nice braided ponytail. You know, simple like that, just how you braid. So after I'm done doing the braid, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the hair that I put aside around the braid. Okay, like so. And that is the finished look, guys. And if you have longer hair, obviously your ponytail will be longer, but mine was not as long as I would like it to be, but it's cute. It's still cute, and if you want to rock it like that, that's okay. Go ahead, girl, and do you. But for me, I did not like how short it was, so I added some hair, and I don't know how to explain this, and I don't think I did such an excellent job adding the hair, but I tried. Okay, so I just went ahead and added the hair, and yeah, like I said, I don't know how to explain it. I don't really do hairstyles that you even add hair, because I don't know how to add hair. Maybe one day we shall learn, but until then, this is the best that I could do. Okay, and that's it. It's long, it's nice and long now, so I like that better. Okay, and I'm just trying to show you how long it is, because it's really long, but it's cute and it's giving what it needs to give, and I'm in love with it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys some other options on how you can rock this ponytail. So it's just not one ponytail, but you can also wear it as a bun, a nice bun. Okay, so all you're doing is just wrapping it around the hair itself, making sure it's just nice, and you can add some accessories if you want to. You don't have to. And I just wanted to see how it will look. It's kind of like a nice bridal look as well. It's giving what it needs to give. Okay, and I love it. I love the bun so much. She's cute. Okay, oh, and I forgot, I wanted to show you the back because it was laid, and I forgot to turn around to show you, but it was laid as well. Okay, and look at that. Oh my gosh, my hair was like laid, looking nice. This is the last hairstyle I'm gonna show you that you can do with your ponytail, and this, by the way, is a really good protective style, because you can actually have your hair like this for a whole week. Okay, even a week, we're not gonna push it, but yeah, for a few days. Okay, but I'm just taking my ponytail out, but you can do that, take it out if you don't want to sleep with it, but if you sleep with it, you can just wrap it around, But I'm gonna show you the last hairstyle. Damn, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna show you the last hairstyle, which is like a side do. Okay, and I'm just wrapping it around, but making sure it comes in front, and I had to turn around because I was looking in the mirror that way. But that's all I did, and I'm just adding some bobby pins to secure the hair, and yeah, that's the hairstyle. She is cute. You can also add accessories if you want to. Okay, but I chose not to, but it's really cute. It's really cute. Anyway, this is it for this video, guys. Make sure you comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.